Hi, my name is Will English. I am the owner of English Management Solutions, and we are QuickBooks point-of-sale experts. I've made this tutorial today to show you how to install the new pen pad, the Tetra 5000 Lane, for QuickBooks point-of-sale V19. Hope you find it useful. With previous versions of QuickBooks point-of-sale, the pen pad was a pretty easy install. You simply plugged the pen pad into the computer, it was powered by the computer, and it would auto-install the drivers that it needed. With this version and the new pen pad, it's a little more complex, so I thought that I would show you the parts and pieces on how to get it installed. First of all, we have the pen pad itself. We also have the cable that has both a USB. This part plugs into the pen pad itself, and new would be the power adapter. The power adapter plugs into a normal 110 socket and provides power to the pen pad. First of all, we want to plug this end back into the pen pad itself. So it's pretty simple. You flip the lever up, you plug it in to the back of the pen pad, like so, and then you flip the lever. In addition, there are two small screws that you can put in to hold it even more securely, but typically I just leave it the way it is in case I need to be able to reboot the system. Next up is the power cable. So you go ahead and plug in the adapter on the power like this. Now we're ready to install the pen pad. You go ahead and plug the power cable into your standard 110 socket. There we go. And you go ahead and plug the USB into the USB on the computer. As soon as you do that, you'll see that the pen pad starts to boot up. That's a great sign. And basically it's going to go through a boot up process where it's loading the various software that it needs. By the way, while we're looking at it doing that, this is the part here where basically the tap works. So if you're using Google Pay or Apple Pay or a credit card that has the 3 little or 4 little bars on it, you can go ahead and tap there. You'll get a beep and then you'll know that the tap and go is working. So you can see that it's going to go ahead and load quite a few of the drivers. You get a welcome, you get another screen that continues to load drivers, and eventually it will show QuickBooks point of sale on the pad itself. So while we're waiting for that to happen, let's go ahead and install the drivers. In order to install a driver, you want to go ahead and go to the folder that contains the drivers. The folder that contains the drivers is in the C drive, Program Files x86, into it, QuickBooks Point of Sale V19. Notice I have a ton of QuickBooks products. That's because we're an Intuit reseller, and so we support all the various flavors. Under the 19.0, you'll see drivers, and then if you look at Ingenico, and then Lane 5000. You want to make sure that you're going to install the 3.26 driver. Click on that. Go ahead and allow changes to be made. Next. Next. You don't want to do anything at all here. You just simply want to click Next, Next, and Install. At that point, it will go through and do the installation process, just like any other software install. So allow it to complete, and we're done. Just that simple. Next up is we'll go ahead and go into Point of Sale. We want to click on File, Preferences, Company, Workstation. We want to click on the pen pad And we want to go ahead and choose the Tetra Lane 5000 series. Notice that it is attached to a COM port. If we want to confirm that it is the correct COM port, we simply go down to our Start menu, type in Control Panel, go to View Devices and Printers, and you can see that the Lane 5000 COM4, so we know that we have set it up correctly. If you need any help with this tutorial, or if you need pricing on any of the Intuit products or services, please reach out to us. Our contact information is on the screen.